open.
That's right, Mercy Man's place.
In 1,000 feet, merge onto I-278 West.
I can't be holding this. You need to fix that, okay? You gotta help English. I mean, he barely speaks Spanish. He talks slow and
Turn
easy
right
and
onto East
calm.
25th Street.
He's not like any Dominican you've ever met in your entire
In a
life.
quarter mile, turn right onto 3rd Avenue.
He's calm, easy, nice.
5th Street. Then your destination will be on the right.
Oh my God! Look at he live in the Empire State
Your
Building.
destination is on the right.
Where is the building?
If
Wow!
I can, I wonder if I can back in here. I'm terrible backing in, man. Fuck, I can't. Oh, I can park right behind the
Just
truck
call
there.
this there. Call him. Call him. Tell him to come.
Let me try to get underneath this scaffold.
Dennis. Dennis. Boy. Dennis. There is a dog there, Dennis. Look. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hey, I am parked on 30th by the spring scaffold. You know where that is? Okay. All right, cool.
Where is it? Where is the building? Huh?
Building's 200 East 30th.
Don't go. Don't worry, he's coming. Let me move there. Hold it. Let me move there.
Here.
Dennis, sit. Come here. What is she doing? He should get ready when he call you. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Oh.
Hello? Yeah, I'm right here on 30th.
Oh,
I think
God.
right across from your building, there's a big scaffolding here.
You
spring
open the gate.
I'll meet you right at the corner. I'll meet you right at the corner of 30th. I'll walk over there.
Are you on 3rd Avenue or 2nd Avenue?
What is this road? I'm on 30th. 30th and what is it? Whatever that other, the road is right by your apartment. Just go to the corner. What do
I'm
you?
at the corner right now.
Okay, I'll walk right there. Just stay there.
Alright.
All right. Let me see. Daddy gonna stay there.
Close it. My God. Yeah. Stop. He's coming, man. He's a daddy boy. Oh my god. Daddy boy, daddy boy, daddy boy. This is crazy. Oh my god, take it easy. Danish? Danish. 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 Oh my god. Can you close the window, please?
Hey, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
How you doing?
Good. Can you close the window, please?
Yeah,